Hello guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. If you are new, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't and follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. So, I live in New York City and the weather has been teetering back and forth between cold. We get some spring days, but it never like stayed constant. But now I think we're finally into spring for the most part. You never know, the weather's crazy, but the next week looks warm and I find myself wanting some of my spring clothes. So I decided this video is going to be a spring revamp, spring cleaning video with me. I have so much to do around the apartment. I really just like am itching for a revamp. I want to like go through all my drawers, clean out the kitchen, and clean out my closet and go through, take all my spring clothes down, get rid of some coats. It's going to be a lot of work, but I'm really excited about it. It might take me a few days, but today is day number 1. I'm starting with all the clothes in my room because they've just been like piling up. I don't even have a place to put them. I'm not yet going to take down the spring clothes. I just need to go through and make some room first. So let's go through my closet. One of these things, Brooks. Hello, baby. I have my little helper here. I've taken some of the clothes out, put them on the bed. I had like a huge pile here and here, slowly going through some stuff, but it's really hard to edit it down, but that's what I have to do. So, right, welcome to my closet. I can't even open them because I have clothes and pillows everywhere. Welcome to my closet. She is jam-packed and we need to give some breathing room. So I think things for spring that I'll still wear, stuff like long sleeves and things like that, but I feel like I maybe have too many sweaters. These would be good for like spring, but there's definitely some stuff that I can take out. Maybe all my scarves. Like, I don't know if I need these huge scarves. Here are all my scarves. I can definitely, you can wear some scarves into spring, but I don't think I need every single one. So I'm gonna keep this one. Like I said, I'm gonna put away this one. This one's like a heavy, this is a winter scarf. This is from Free People. I'm gonna keep this. This is from Love Shack Fancy. This is like a spring scarf. I feel like is more winter. I'm gonna put that one away. And then I have this one. I feel like I could still wear that. Okay, scarves are done. Now some of the hats. I definitely don't think I need like all my winter hats. This Love Shack Fancy one. I don't see myself wearing earmuffs. This could be a spring hat. This, questionable. This matches the scarf. This is definitely like a winter hat. Questionable. Winter. These are like my spring gloves because they're fingerless, so I'm gonna keep these. This is definitely spring hat. I didn't get enough wear of this season, which I'm sad about because I love it, but it's definitely a winter hat. Maybe spring, I don't know. I start leaning more into baseball caps as opposed to like winter hats, unless they're fun like berets. But I have two very similar berets. Like, do I need both? Spring? This Acne Studios hat, I feel like this is pretty winter. It's like my warmest one. Okay, I think I've done pretty good. Time to go through some tops. YSL shirt, keep. This Moschino blazer, keep. Moschino blazer, keep. These are overalls from Shop We Wear What. I like them. I think I'm gonna hold on to them. This Zara blazer is one of my faves. This Brooks Brothers shirt, I do like it, but the color is just like not great for my skin tone. No matter what I do, I don't really love it or wear it and sell that. This Collusion shirt, I love this. This Bershka sweater top, I love the idea of it, but the on it is so strange for me. I'm gonna sell that. This Pretty Little Thing zip up top, I'm gonna sell. This is C by Chloe skirt, quilted. I think I'm gonna keep this for a little bit longer. Zara cardigan, sell. Zara little cropped sweater, keep. This, keep. I only got like one wear out of it, I think. My Skims set, keep. Zara top, TBD. That's my maybe pile. This polo shirt, keep. This one fits me way better, this weekday sweater vest, so I'm keeping that one. This Zara top is great for spring. Love it. This Philosophy top, keep. This, TBD. This little unitard I definitely can put away for winter. All right, right now I put all my dresses back in the corner because they're a little bit longer, and then I do color order from here. Okay, I go from like black to red this way, so I'm gonna start with the very few purple items that I have. These, and then blue. Apparently just this. No green. Wow, I really only have like the same colors. This is what I'm talking about. I'm hoarding jeans on top of where I put all my clothes, and that is just too much. Usually I have jeans right here, but I'm hoarding pants all along the top of this, and I want that not to be the case. I might leave this with the coats as well. Like I'll put all my spring coats and I'll put away all my big coats. I'm definitely moving stuff. I feel like it's a fallacy because I'm not actually getting rid of anything, so I need to be better. I put all my skirts right here, and I just recently went through them, so I'm not getting rid of any. But maybe like these big thick pants we can put away for winter. All right, now the big part is going through all of this. I hope I can get rid of some of this because I feel like these have barely moved. Here's one drawer I definitely didn't get enough wear out of, so I'm gonna sell that. As well as this Zara hoodie, sell. This I still love. TBD. My winter Christmas long sleeve can go away. This Aloe set I love. Aritzia cropped sweatshirt, keep. I think it might be time to sell these Saskia sets because I don't wear them enough. Green and pink Saskia sets. Now let's go to sweatpants. I don't love them though. This Wild Fox set, keep. These are like flannel PJ pants. I'm just gonna put them away. This Zara pant, pink Hanes. I wear this a lot. Dairy Girl, my fave. And then sweatshirts. I'll keep that. My Essential sweatshirt, keep. Aritzia sweatshirt, keep. This is like a thinner sweatshirt, so it might be nice to have. TBD. This Aritzia sweatshirt, cropped Champion sweatshirt. I might need to go back through those sweatshirts again because I don't think I'm getting rid of anyone. Dairy Girl and Dairy Girl, keep. And then I have some Love Shack Fancy sweatpants, Ralph Lauren, Palm Beach. I have too much. I'm gonna need to have a second look at all that. Look at this. I'm scared. And so is Brooks. And I still need to go through those. Hey guys, it's been a few days, I'm not gonna lie. We're picking it back up again. I have new nails. Spring cleaning takes some time. So I'm back. I'm gonna continue with my closet clear out. I'm going through my drawers now. I'm gonna take everything out and really, really whittle it down. So let's do it.
Cancer-related issues.
All right, I'm gonna do like a keep pile and a get rid of pile, and then a maybe pile that I need to go through. This, just a little memento. I'm gonna keep that. Bershka shirt, maybe. Addicted shirt, still has the tag on, so I'm gonna sell that. Lucky Brand shirt, I keep that. This Gucci shirt I'm keeping. These PJs, keep. These are all pretty new PJs, so I'm gonna keep these. This Princess Polly shirt I've held onto forever, but I don't wear it. Like, I can't remember the last time I wore it. I just like love it, but I think I'm going to get rid of it. Finally, I'm not getting rid of any of that, but I want to like wear it more, so I want to get rid of all the other t-shirts that I have that I don't love. This cowgirl shirt I'm going to sell. This satin shirt, sell. This shirt I will never get rid of. I love it so much. It has sentimental value and I love it. This Rag & Bone t-shirt I'm going to keep. Here are all my like, I want to put my Skims sets together. So like all my shorts and tank tops, shorts and tank tops, shorts and tank tops. I have a lot of Skims stuff. And then all my like long sleeves from Skims, short sleeves. I'm gonna keep all of this, but it's all the rest of the stuff that I'm gonna get rid of.
You're giving away your money here. What?
All right, now I just took out all my athleisure, all my athletic wear. Honestly, these red leggings are maybe, I don't wear them very much. Like little shorts, this little tank, all this stuff, like, I don't know. I'm going to sell these Lululemon leggings, like cropped in white. I think I'm gonna sell this blue set, Amazon, and this cream set from Amazon. Set active set I'm gonna keep. This I wear all the time. I really just like wearing like black covering things during the gym because I don't want to like worry. These are pretty old. They like need to be get rid of, but I do wear them a lot. So all right, I have some like white t-shirts. Okay, I can keep one white long sleeve. Actually, I'm gonna keep the green set. I'm gonna sell the red pants. And then these shirts I love from Amazon, but they're too cropped for me, so I put them on and then I take them right off because I just like don't really want to wear crop stuff when I'm in a communal gym, like whatever, you know. So I think I'm gonna sell that. Aritzia biker shorts I'll keep. This top I still like, I'm gonna keep that. These more Aritzia biker shorts I'll keep. So I'm gonna keep. Sell. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. This set from Adidas I might sell. I'm gonna put in the maybe pile. Alright, I'm officially exhausted. I went through all my clothes and came out with like huge bags that I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark. I will link my Poshmark down below and put my username on the screen if you want to buy anything. Everything must go, so just like make me an offer, I don't know. I like to give my clothes another life instead of like throwing it away. I really hate throwing clothes away. Here's one pile and I have like 3 other IKEA bags ready to go. So thank you so much for watching this part 1 of my spring cleaning session, and please subscribe if you haven't, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next one.